no such frame exception. So no such frame is also similar thing. So let's again take this first 4 lines of code and I am going to create a new class. No such frame exception demo. Select the main method, click on finish. So here we are launching the browser and loading the website, and after that we are trying, let's think like a driver.switch2.frame I am doing, and in the frame I am passing the frame locator value as Swaroop. So this application will not have the any frames generally. So if I'm right clicking and doing like on this web page, there are no frames. So you can see like there are no iframes in this HTML structure. So even if it is there also, the frame Swaroop will not be available anyways, and I'm trying to switch to this frame. So if any frame is missing on the web page, at that time no such frame exception will get thrown. So let's reproduce it. I'm trying to switch to the frame, and let's go to the Eclipse. So since implicit wait 10 second is there, after 10 second that exception will get thrown. So let's wait for a few seconds. So on the console, you can see no such frame exception, no frame element found by the name or ID Swaroop. So either the name or ID Swaroop, nothing is there, it is saying. So this is the way no such frame exception will get occur whenever maybe some changes happened in the web page, and the frame ID can be different also. Sometimes the frame ID got changed, and you are trying with an old frame ID or name also. At that time, this exception will get thrown, and you need to update your locator also. Or maybe the frame is also removed sometimes. So it depends on the application. So this exception also can be frequently encountered. So whenever the frame is not available,